You are watching the new series on learning digital marketing skills in minutes. And today you will learn 5 new email marketing skills. Keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Hasan from heducate, and if it's your first time here on my channel, here I share with you everything related to digital marketing and online business, but based on real experience and real case studies. So I think you will love my content. So without wasting time, let's start with skill number 1, which is email scraping or prospecting or collecting emails. I will show you the simplest method with Google. Go to google.com and the first step is to click on settings here and then click on search settings. Then make sure the results per page option is set to 100 to get more results. Then go back to Google and now let's say you want to target people or collect emails for people related to digital marketing. Simply open double quote and write @gmail.com as an example, then double quotes digital marketing. This means we are telling Google to search in pages related to digital marketing and search for @gmail.com, which is the email TLD part for Gmail. Click on Google search and let's see the magic. We got some results. What I'm going to do now is simply Ctrl A to select all the text here on the page, then Ctrl C to copy the text, and then go to hsupertools.com, my free SEO and digital marketing tools platform, then simply email text extraction tool. Then in this box, paste the text, Ctrl V. Now we have all the text here. Click on get data, and now we got 16 email addresses. You can repeat this and collect emails from different niches and so on. If you like to learn more about collecting emails, prospecting, scraping emails from the internet, you can check my full free video here on my channel, email prospecting, in the description below. And by the way, you can use some premium services to collect emails like Snuff.io, go to tools, and then you can simply find email addresses. You can use Hunter.io. We have a lot of services. Skill number 2 is email validation. Email validation is super important in email marketing. Whenever you want to send an email marketing campaign, especially in cold mailing, you need to verify and validate the target emails exists. So you need to validate emails. On the internet, we have a lot of premium services. But today, you can simply go again here to HSuperTools, email section, bulk email validation. But before, let's copy our emails, and now you can simply paste the emails. Here you will see this service is like any premium service, up to 98% accuracy, and you have every day 200 emails totally for free. We don't have a premium version, it's free. And I will tell you a secret now, soon HSuperTools email validator limit will increase. So don't forget to smash the like button and turn notifications to get every new update. And then click on validate emails, and now the tool will start validating the emails, telling you if this is valid or not. Then you can export or copy and then go and send your campaign. So skill number 3, how to send a bulk email marketing campaign. I believe the easiest way is to use a plugin extension called Gmass. Just install it, add it to your Chrome browser, and then open your Gmail account. Click on compose. Now when you click on this small arrow here, you will see this is like a full email marketing system inside Gmail. I always mention Gmass if you are following me. It's a great extension, by the way. You can send a test email, you can add your email list, you can set up follow-ups, schedule, advanced settings, everything inside this extension, turning your workspace account into a full email marketing system, especially for cold mailing. And you can start totally for free. Just paste your list here and you can start sending emails. Also, if you want, you can use my free super email sender. Just go to my website, heducate.com, super email sender. This is an application I developed to send bulk email marketing campaigns in the easiest way you'll ever see. I have a full video about it here on my channel. I will keep the link in the description below. So till now, we learned how to scrape emails, how to validate them, and how to send emails and everything for free. Please, if you got some benefit, if you learned something new here, don't forget to smash the like button. This will help me a lot to reach and help more people. Skill number 4 is warming up your email or your email server. When you want to start sending emails, especially in cold mailing and in your own email marketing systems, you need to warm up. What is warming up? Warming up is simply increasing your sending reputation online by gradually increasing your sending volume. So, day 1 you send 5 emails, day 2 10 emails, day 3 15 emails, and so on. And what's nice, if you go back to 8 super tools, go to email here, warm up schedule generator, you will see I created this free tool to help you generate your schedule. So as an example, if your target is to send 500 emails per day, you can select 500, generate schedule, and now it will show you a chart on how to send the emails and a full table you can download, export to CSV, and use it to warm up your email. If you want to learn more about warming up, you can check my full guide here on my blog, how to warm up SMTP server IP, improve reputation, and my full video about warming up G Suite accounts here on my channel. All the links, by the way, everything mentioned is in the description below, so don't worry about any links now. Skill number 5 is email testing. Before you send an email marketing campaign, you need to test if your email will go to inbox, spam, or promotional tab. So go back here to GMass and then go here to products and click on inbox, spam, or promotions. This tool is totally free. It will help you test your emails and see where they will probably land before you send your real campaign. And here we are, just copy these email addresses, then go to your email marketing system. I am using now Gmail with GMass. I will compose a new email. Simply in the to section, I will paste all these emails. Let's write something spammy. I am a spam email like this. Hi from heducate. And let's now click on GMass, and now we are sending a bulk email marketing campaign, a small one. Okay, I will go back now here to this tool. I will search for spam email subject line, and you can see now I got all my emails in the spam folder. In this way, you can have an idea about your email, how it will perform before you send your real email marketing campaign. And if you like to learn more about how to reach the inbox, you can go and read my full guide, how to land your emails in inbox. Step by step explaining about email filters, how things work, so you can reach the inbox in your upcoming email marketing campaign. Now it's time to watch my full email marketing course, my free course here on my channel. Just click on this video and don't forget please to smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to get every new update. See you later.